Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amelia Marfunga. Student number is 49. I will presentation material about using improvisational exercise for increasing speaking and listening skill. Abstract. If language learners do not interact with the material they are learning, it is difficult for them to understand and integrate it. In class where students are reluctant to speak, it is often helpful to integrate a STEM or other structure to encode the skill. Acting and comedy, other structure. Improvisational exercise allows students of all abilities and interests to participate and make manifest grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Lesson in a fun and realistic way by using acting and comedy improvisational techniques. Students not only are provided the structure but are encouraged to speak quickly and descriptively, thus decreasing their reliance on their native language and allowing them to utilize the vocabulary and grammatical structure of the target language more naturally. Theoretical framework. Number why improvisational practice is important. The researcher found that most students do not interact with the second language, expect to translate it into the native Korean and their response back to English. This creates long pause and frustration for both the listener and the speaker. For the listener, the pause becomes boring and makes the speaker seem less intelligent, as noted by Pavlina 2005. For the speaker, the translation becomes difficult because of the complexity of their mother tongue and its inability to translate well grammatically. Vocabulary differences are also a problem with this method of communication. To the function of speaking. Speaking is purposefully activity. It is like other activities such as listening, reading, and writing. We have reason and objective in speaking. The objective of our speech can define the strategy we use to do it, just as stated by Rickards and Rena Diabes and Access English Journal from Herna Aprianti and Apple. The speaking is used for many different objectives, and its objective involves different skill. The different objectives of speaking are also followed. A. In casual conversation, for example, our objective might be to make social contact with people, to establish rapport, or engage in harmless chit-chat that occupies much of time we spend with friends. B. When in discussion with someone, the objective may be to seek or express opinions, to persuade some about something, or to clarify information. C. In some other situation, we use speaking to describe things, to complain about people's behavior, or to make polite requests. Each of these different objectives for speaking implies knowledge of the rules of how spoken language reflect the context or situation in which speech occurs. D. Based on explanation above, speaking has many formal or non-formal functions in every situation and in all aspects of human life. How teach improvisational exercise? Using a typical presentation or practice or production patterns of language interest Maurer 1997. The lesson is tough and the student receive a similar training for the exercise that is teacher present the exercise or preparation. The student practice with the teacher or modeling and the project play. It is easy to integrate an improvisational exercise to the lesson plan. The teacher begins by presenting the necessary basic material, creates the opportunity for schema building and practice with cap file matching exercise and so on. The roles of teacher speaking. Teachers play vital roles in the life of the student in their classroom. Teachers are best known for the role and education the students that are placed in their care. As with any other type classroom producer, teachers need to play a number of different roles during speaking activities. However, they have particularly relevance if teachers are training and students to speak fluently. Number 1, parameter 2, participant and 3. Feedback provider. Research methodology. The method is qualitative research. The sample student of 11th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Jatilawang. The instrument observation. The technique interview, observation, and test. Finding and discussion. For the result of this study indicate that a teacher must be creative in teaching class, especially learning English. The teacher must be able to use easy method and find ideas to the student there to appear in front of the class speaking using foreign language. Conclusion. Having conducted the research in using English movie to improve student speaking skill, it can be drawn some conclusion as follows. English movie can improve student speaking skill. The improvement of student speaking skill can be identified from the improvement of speaking skill assessment. It shows that there is a comparison between the student speaking skill during intervention and the performance criteria of success. The improvement was also observed from several aspects of the composition. The previous students saw improvement in speaking skill. Student self-confidence was increased. They were not afraid of making mistakes. They also know speaking skill elements. In addition, English movie can improve classroom situation into a better situation. They were motivated in joining speaking class. Paper review. Lesson learned from the research about an analysis reflective practice in English language teaching contribute to teach students the value of using improvisational exercise. It is important to prepare them for the eventual activity by presenting the material, allowing them to interact with that material on a small scale via practice exercise, and then finally they integrate a production portion. This portion includes the improvisational exercise. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.